In a changing world, new technology is creating new possibilities we need right now. Today, insurers, assessors, repair shops, and customers want a claims workflow experience that is simple, automated, and most importantly, accurate. Introducing Qapter, Soleras' global end-to-end artificial intelligence claims platform that will create a new standard of accuracy and efficiency for the claims workflow. We have achieved this new standard of excellence by combining our global solutions into a touchless, digital experience built on our unmatched data, powered by our AI technology. At the core of what makes Qapter so powerful is our visual intelligence and machine learning during the damage image capture process. Qapter uses automatic damage detection to accurately assess all of the damaged parts in a claim estimate, empowering assessors to use damage capture images to create an accurate estimate in minutes instead of days. Our damage capture technology has changed a manual process into an automated digital process that continues to learn and improve with every claim processed. With Qapter, you will be able to provide your customers with a consistent, predictable, efficient experience every time. The future of the automotive claims workflow is here. Qapter,